Hey guys, what is up? I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're in the middle of 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN. We only have a few left, so kind of getting excited. What do you guys think I should do for the finale one? I don't know yet. I haven't painted it, so leave suggestions in the comments for sure. But for today, I did probably the hardest body paint I've ever done. It took around 7.5 hours, I think, so yeah, it was pretty intimidating. I've been wanting to do this character for a while, but I always thought it was too hard, but this time I actually tried it, and yeah, I hope you guys like how it turned out. So if you want to see me painting Nebula from Guardians of the Galaxy, then keep watching. Before we jump into it, please give this video a like, please subscribe and turn on your notifications because you really don't want to miss any of these videos. So let's just jump into it. Alright, so the first thing we have to do for this character is put on a bald cap. So I'm just using spirit gum right here and gluing it down and then cutting out the ears. Be very careful with this part. I almost cut my hair. And then just to hide the edge a little bit, I'm using some liquid latex. And then you gotta powder that latex because you don't want that to be sticky. So I'm just starting out with the purple portion of her face. I'm just trying to map everything out real quick and just make sure I have everything in the right position. Then just filling that in, most of it, and then I left a little space for when I start doing the silver part around the eye. And then I'm filling in the rest once I have everything mapped out. So just filling in the blue parts. You can't forget those ears, even though they're annoying to wash after. So the body paint was a lot of little details, so just start slow. I just started doing just the solid color first, just have everything mapped out in the beginning. I'm just contouring the nose a little bit. I felt like her face looked really flat and plain. Adding a little bit of highlights here and there. Just kind of going back and forth between shading and highlighting because I just wanted to kind of get the feel of it, you know? It's like her face has a lot going on. And then just powdering everything and starting on the details of the little metal thing that she has around her eye. And I am just using a black face paint right here to just kind of map everything out, but I'm going to go in with a black shadow later and kind of shade it and make it look more dimensional. Using the blue moon palette just to add a little dimension on her blue side. Now I'm just shading with a black shadow to add texture to everything. I didn't want it to look too plain. And now I'm just adding the highlights, which I think is the most fun part. It really makes it pop. And then adding some highlights to the clothes as well. Now shading her outfit a little bit. Adding the arms, just shading. This thing took forever, you guys. Adding those final touches, little details of the clothing. There it is, guys. So that was 7 hours of work in 3 minutes that you guys saw it in. So I apologize if it went really quick, but I mean, I really hope you guys like it. And I did pop in some black contacts. I didn't have the full ones, but you get the point. So if you did like this, please give this video a like, please subscribe and turn on your notifications. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and I really appreciate everyone that has already subscribed and everyone that leaves comments every day. I really notice you and I appreciate it. If you want to see the picture of this, and I did a little fun makeup removal video of this as well, then check out my Instagram. I do have some crazy videos over on TikTok too if you like that. And tomorrow we have a really spooky one from the movie The Conjuring. So if you can guess who it is, then you should come back tomorrow and check it out. And I will see you guys tomorrow.